Welcome back to my channel. This is your Manish and you're watching Settle Abroad with Manish. तो भाई आज पीछे तुम्हारे को देख के पता चली गया होगा कि हम लोग कहाँ पर पहुँच गए हैं। भाई ये है चंडीगढ़ की मोस्ट फेमस लेक सुखना लेक बिहाइंड मी। जो भाई यहाँ पर पहुँच चुके हैं पहले लेट मी नो कौन कौन यहाँ पे आया हुआ है। Whosoever been visited here, please comment below so that I can tell how beautiful this lake is and how cool this place is. This is the most craziest place in Chandigarh if you ever been visited this place. People are doing boat rides. This is the big ship that take you to the cruise tour. People were feeding the birds. Water is not that clean as New Zealand, but it is still alright for having good time, because water gives you always a perfect time if you're with your family. So we are with the family. Disha is looking after the kids.
Hello.
Little Valerian is playing with his balloons. And this spot everybody knows. Everybody knows about this spot. This is the most famous spot in Chandigarh, Punjab, Sukhna Lake. Disha is from here and she's having a good time. She always recommended me to come over this place. So most visiting place in Chandigarh is the spot. This is the Sukhna Lake. It has a quite good walkway all around the path of this alleyway. You walk around there, and you come out from the back over that side. We are not taking that long walk today. We are just over the coast side, one of the sides, so that we can spend a good time here. And then we are going towards the different location. So like, subscribe the channel so that you can see more upcoming videos and we can have a good time while we are here. I'm going to show you everything what we do tonight. Chandigarh घूम रहे थे, चंडीगढ़ के हो रहे हैं नज़ारे. It is Chandigarh, the city of peace. And this is the sign of Chandigarh. It is a sign of Chandigarh. Whenever you come, you can see this. Wherever you are, this spot is quite famous for the Chandigarh. People will know about it if you show this sign to anybody. And this is quite magnificent place, quite peaceful place, with no trouble. Right, so we are going towards the walk now and I'm going to show you how the walk looks like, and then we are going to eat something. You can see this beautiful lake behind me, and Valerian is having his good time. Valerian! Let's go! Let's go! So this is the walkway towards the lake along the side. We are taking a walk now. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. It's a good spot. If you come with your family, you can have a good time. You can enjoy the good time because this is quite peaceful place and people can have a good walk with a good oxygen level because you can see all the trees around. If you go to India, Delhi, the oxygen level drops down and the air quality becomes very poor, which goes up to 750, but the air quality here is quite impressive and the oxygen level is quite good. So this is the walkway. Valerian is having fun. Idhar. Bye.
अभी देते हैं थोड़ी देर शराया को खेलने थे फिर आपको दे दूँगी।
तो चलो जी अब कुछ खाएंगे पहले and then we can see what we're gonna do. So this walkway, never ending walkway, it takes you all the way long towards the lake, which is gonna be 4 to 5 kilometers long. We don't want that. We're just gonna hang around a little bit more and then we're gonna have a good time. They got a beautiful gardens all around with the magnificent flowers. Good systematic way for the rubbish. चलो वापस चलो जी, let's go बाबू. Bye.
So check करवाए जो portrait pictures the baby.
Thank you. तो जी फाइनली हम लोग पहुंच गए थे यहाँ के फूड कोर्ट में. इट्स एन अमेजिंग प्लेस. यू कैन ईट लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट वेराइटीज़ ऑफ फूड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट प्लेसेस एंड वी जस्ट हैड सम dumplings and some coconut water, which was quite filling. Good meal for 2 of us. You can have these kind of stuff, all around you, some juices, some snacks, whatever you need. So it's a good spot. Come and enjoy the food if you really wish to. In Sukna Lake you never get, like, you're gonna fill up your thirst and your hunger, which is quite impressive. In a small place you can have everything to eat. So let's go and explore the Sukna Lake more and then we're gonna see what we're gonna do. We're having a good time in the beautiful little rides. So we put our kid in this one. He is little bit scared. Bye baby. So my baby is a little bit scared, but we still have to do it because डर ख़त्म करने के लिए हमें करना पड़ेगा, वरना ये हमेशा डरता ही रहेगा। तो हमारे को थोड़े से हार्ड स्टेप्स लेने पड़ेंगे, अदरवाइज़ वी कुड टेक हिम ऑफ, बट वी रियली वांट हिम टू डू इट, टू फिनिश हिज राइड so that he can build up his trust and his confidence by himself. Otherwise he will always get scared. So I recommend all the parents to do this with their kids so that they can build up their confidence by their own. Bye baby, bye.
आपके बाय नहीं
Bye. Boy मेरा बच्चा।
फिनिश आ जाओ, कुछ नहीं हुआ यार, अंकल आ रहे हैं,
तो भाई सुखना लेक का ब्लॉग हम करेंगे यहीं पे फिनिश। लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर कर देना और बता देना कौन कौन भाई यहाँ पे पहले भी पहुंचा हुआ है, पहले भी यहाँ पे आया हुआ है, ताकि पता चल सके कि भाई कितने बंदे हमारे कहाँ से कौन कौन बंदा वीडियोस देख रहा है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग। लाइक, सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। टेक केयर। चाओ बेला।